Over the face. Drift flies. Oh, hang on. That's a fish. Yes. Fish on the new lure. Or the homemade lure. Alright, fish is woken up. Wow. Yes. Oh my god, that's a stunning bass too. Is it? It is pretty good. Absolutely entangled in everything. Come on, you bugger. That's a stunning bass. Nearly 60 centimetres. First fish of the year. Yeah, first fish of the year. What a beauty. Well happy. Fantastic. Make sure we got you there. Okay, cheers bass. And best bit of all, homemade lure. There you go.